Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Bigo account on your mobile device. There are various reasons why you may wish to delete your Bigo Live account. Among all of them is email spamming by the company. Meanwhile, Bigo Live is an online live video broadcasting app that lets its user chat with other users online. This application lets its user create and edit their account information, browse through a list of online members, follow the members to their account, video chat, and even send text to them. Now, before Bigo Live account deletion was closed through the application and website, and the only way to delete an account was to contact the support team. But now the Bigo lets you delete your account by going onto the settings. In order to do that, you just have to go to the Bigo application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Once you have logged into your Bigo Live application, you will land onto an interface like this. Now, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap onto the profile icon. From here, you'll see you will have various options available to you. Go to the settings options and tap on it. Now once you're on the settings page, go to the account management section and tap on it. Now if you scroll down, you can see the account ownership section here. It says that if you are the owner of this account, then you can delete it. Now go to the delete account option and tap on it. Now you'll have to enter your password in order to proceed for the deletion of your account. Once you have entered your password, go and tap on next. Here you'll have to meet certain conditions in order to delete your account. So if you have already passed on your conditions, then go and tap on confirm and continue. Now you will land onto the terms and condition page, read it, and once you have finished reading, go and tap on I understand on the agreement. And now go and tap on delete account. Once the confirmation pop-up shows up on your screen, go and tap on delete account in order to confirm deletion. Once you tap on it, you will be logged out of your account immediately, and the process of deletion will take up to 20 days. So now after deletion, you will no longer be able to log in, reactivate, use or restore that account. You'll not be able to get a refund on any items you have purchased or get a payment or pending payment from your broadcast or live stream. Even your profile, photos, videos, messages, comments, props, gifts, visual currencies, shares, levels, followers, privileges, and other digital contents will be permanently deleted and cannot be restored. So this is how you delete your account on Bigo Live application. This is it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.